Peter Thiel, PayPal founder, comments on state of Bitcoin. Bitcoinist announces its new text series. Remax London accepts BTC for rent payments. Let's start. Did you know that PayPal tried to create its own currency 10 years before Satoshi Nakamoto made it real? Well, now you know. Here is what the founder of PayPal had to say about it, and comment on Bitcoin as well.
Let's see, so I always think PayPal had these goals of creating a new currency. We failed at that. We just created a new payment system. I think Bitcoin has succeeded on the level of a new currency. The payment system is somewhat lacking, so it's actually very hard to use, and that's probably the big challenge that exists on the Bitcoin side. I would say that with respect to finance, we're generally in a more heavily regulated world than we were in 99, 2000 when PayPal got started. And so it might actually be very difficult to start PayPal today. I'm not even sure you could build PayPal today because the regulations are tougher. And so there was sort of a lot of this was in a somewhat gray zone in 99, 2000. Today, it might be much harder to get started, much bigger barriers to entry. At the same time, there's still a lot of people trying to do things in financial technology in one way or another. Challenge is that it's a sector where you're having increasingly heavy regulatory headwinds, and that's a big worry.
That was a nice try, PayPal. We are so happy to announce our new series on Bitcoin taxes. Bitcoinist is partnering with Global Tax LLC to bring you some weekly update on taxes. We had the opportunity to talk to Daniel Winters from Global Tax back in Miami.
Hi everybody, I'm Daniel Winters at Global Tax Accountants, and I just thought I would throw out a little plug and say you can find me on globaltaxaccountants.com. Thank you so much for the opportunity to talk about taxes today. So here's a quick summary of the rules for Bitcoin taxation. If you buy a Bitcoin and then sell that Bitcoin or exchange that Bitcoin, this is treated as a capital asset. Essentially, it's like you're selling stock. If you buy a Bitcoin for 100 and then 3 months later you sell it for 200, you have a $100 capital gain. It's an identical treatment to if you buy and sell stock.
What happens if you have a loss and you buy it for $100 and then you end up selling it for $50 3 months later?
If you buy Bitcoin for one price and sell it for a lower price, then you have a capital loss.
Please find the full video interview on our YouTube channel. Remax is one of the best-known real estate brands in the world. Recently, the Remax London delegation has announced it will accept Bitcoin as a payment method for property rentals. The company entered into a partnership with an equally recognized payment processor, the GoCoin platform. GoCoin delivers a fast and secure service that will relieve Remax of the price volatility risk involved with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. GoCoin's co-founder and CEO Steve Burgard stated, "GoCoin is a founding member of the Innovative Finance Initiative, and it's located in co-working space level 39, which is a hub of fintech startups. From an industry perspective, you are looking at an emerging technology, so any new vertical that adopts cryptocurrency is further validating the market and giving it momentum. It also helps that Remax is the leader in its space." We hope that it will be a successful cooperation for both of the companies and it will have the Bitcoin's mainstream adoption. Thank you for watching NewsBits. We have many interesting videos on Bitcoinist.net. YouTube, Facebook and Twitter subscriptions are very welcome. See you in a week. Bye.